Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a teacher's account and be a teacher on Quizlet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign up for free or the login button. If you already have a student account with Quizlet, then you might notice that there is no such option to switch into a teacher's account from within. So you will need to create a brand new account and choose the teacher option while signing up. So tap on the sign up for free option and then use either your Google or your Facebook account. You may also enter your email address in order to sign up. Start off by typing in your date of birth, then enter your preferred email address, and then enter your desired password for your account. Now underneath, after entering your password, you will see the "Are you a teacher?" question. Make sure to click on the Yes checkbox and then click on the sign up button. You will now be asked to subscribe to Quizlet Plus. You can tap on Continue using free Quizlet if you wish to use the free version. And now you will be asked to confirm your email address. To do this, just log into your email address that you used while signing up for your account, and you will find an email from Quizlet. Just tap on the link within, which says confirm your email address. And once you tap on this, your teacher's account on Quizlet will be activated right away. And now you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can start using the Quizlet account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to become a teacher on the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.